Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So with iOS 14 out now for a week, one of the big, of course, new features is, of course, you get to now add widgets to your home screen or any other page on your iPhone. And today, guys, I want to share with you guys the top 10 widgets right now that you should probably go and download for your iPhone setup. So let's get started. So the first widget is called Batterygrapher. So Batterygrapher is an awesome widget that looks really nice, and the whole point of this widget, of course, is just by the name Batterygrapher, is for your battery of your iPhone. So here, of course, you get to see, of course, how many hours it's supposed to technically have if maybe you use it like just maybe with phone calls or with your data on and all that stuff. And so yeah, it's just really cool. And then of course what I like about it is the average but battery life that it might have until throughout the day. So 18 hours. If I keep using it like how I'm using it today, it can last me for 18 hours. But usually it won't last me that long. So yeah, it's just an awesome like thing here. And of course, it shows you, of course, the chart here shows you the day before, so it shows you some stats of like how the battery like slowly gets drained out. And so yeah, it's just an awesome way to track your battery life on your home screen. Next, we have Hey Weather. So Hey Weather is a fairly new weather app that was pretty much made for iOS 14. And it has a great, fantastic app that runs and looks really nice, of course, but it really shines in its widget area. And there's a ton of awesome, cool widget designs that you could choose from as well from this app. The app is free to download, but there's an in-app purchase, of course, to unlock all these widgets as well. So you get usually the first two are free, but then after, of course, if you want to have maybe different style of widget designs, then those ones, of course, will cost you a little bit more money. So yeah, it's just really great. And like I said, this weather app was made for iOS 14 and it's really popular right now, and it just looks really nice. I like the widget. I love like the design of the icons, of course, and how simple it is to read, and it just looks really nice. Next, we have the Date Today. So Date Today is a great widget that allows you, of course, to add your calendar days on your home screen. But also what I like about this is the widget on top here that you can see. I really like how, of course, you get to see, of course, the date, you can see the battery, and of course it just says nice, a good afternoon, of course, because it already knows it's past 12 p.m. And of course, the same goes for the bigger widget as well, where it shows you, of course, the battery life and what day it is in the calendar form, the time, and all that stuff. So yeah, it's just a really great widget to have, of course, if you want to track the day it is and battery and all that stuff. And I just really like it because it looks really nice as well. Next, we have motivation. So if you're like me, sometimes you need some motivation, of course, just to get throughout your day. And of course, the motivation app has released some cool widgets, of course, to show simple motivations throughout the day. So you can add this to your home screen, and when you open it up, unlock it, you'll get a new motivation, of course, popping up right there that you could just see, of course, and get motivated to get some stuff done, of course. So yeah, it's just a great app to have as well. Next, we have Lumi. So Lumi, of course, recently updated their app to release these new widgets for iOS 14, and I have to say they are amazing. So this widget, of course, I like the big widget here because it shows you, of course, the times of when the golden hour is supposed to happen, or golden hour in the evening, the sunset, and all that stuff. So yeah, it's just really nice, and I like it, of course, and it just looks really nice as well. So I'm a big fan of the design of Lumi, and it's just a fantastic app. If you're a photographer, this app is for you to go get those sunset shots or sunrise shots. Yeah, so highly recommend this app if you're a photographer. Next, we have the Apollo app. So of course, Apollo is a third-party client app, a third-party Reddit client app. And Apollo, of course, release some cool widgets, of course. My favorite one, of course, is the Apollo wallpaper one, of course. Also the subreddit shortcut one that I showed 2 videos behind, where I talked about what's on my iOS home screen setup. And of course the jokes widget right here. There's some other great widgets of Apollo as well, but these ones are just one of my favorite ones right now. I just like the wallpaper one because you get a new wallpaper picture every single time. And also, of course, I also like the Apollo joke area just to make myself laugh sometimes. It's just fun to read those jokes on a widget right there on your home screen. Next, we have Fantastical. So Fantastical, of course, is an awesome calendar app. And of course, they released a cool widgets to go with that app, of course. And as you can see also on my iOS home screen video, I have the smaller widget on my home screen of Fantastical. And I just like this one because it has the calendar, of course. It shows the to-do stuff that you have to do, of course. In the bottom. And so yeah, it's just a really simple widget app, but very powerful as well. So if you're a big Fantastical person or you weren't looking for a calendar but also a to-do app mixed in with a widget, this widget app is for you. Next, we have usage. So usage, of course, is much more detailed information about your phone's device. So of course, I like to use it, of course, to see the storage as well right here. And also, of course, the Wi-Fi and cellular and total and all that stuff, which I don't really understand too well. But mostly I use it for the storage area just to see how much storage I have left on my iPhone. So yeah, it's just a great widget for that, just to quickly access that information without having to go into your settings app to see that information. Next, of course, we have the Google widget. So the Google widget, of course, has two widgets only. Has this widget and then has the medium-sized one. For some reason, it's not popping up here for now. But of course, it allows you to open Google Lens. It allows you to quickly search stuff on Google as well. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, it's just a simple, so if you're a Google person and you're looking to quickly access some information, then this widget is probably for you. Next, we have Streaks. So Streaks, of course, is a fantastic app to keep your streaks going, to keep your to-dos going as well. And so yeah, Streaks is released this cool widget where you can quickly access your streaks and just finish them up from your iPhone here on your home screen. So yeah, it's just a great app, and I love the widgets as well because you can quickly just access your streaks from here whenever you complete those streaks. And that's pretty much it for the top 10 iPhone apps that I highly recommend you guys go check out right now for your setup, because you know you'll probably want to change it up now that Apple allows widgets on the home screen. There's some cool setups going on out there, and these widgets are just some of the great widgets to have on your iPhone if you just to get stuff done, but also just to make your iPhone setup unique as well to your style. So tell me guys what you guys think in the comments below, what widgets I should check out, and to subscribe to the channel because that helps a lot if you subscribe. So that's it for now, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.